Hello crafty friends! In today's DIY, I'm going to show you how I created this cute personal doily accent for my Webster Pages personal size planner. Now I follow a couple of YouTubers and I love their work. They use a lot of the Alinacutle dies from AliExpress. I was able to get my hands on this die and I'm going to use the largest die of the set. And I'm going to use my template so I can know how much to cut to size. I will include the links below in case you're interested for the die set, and also you can use a template. Here I'm going to use my template so I can know exactly what size of sheet I need to cut. With a paper trimmer or a pair of scissors, you will cut your paper down. Now I have cut all my sheets with my die cut. I will place them in a 3mm laminating sheet. I'm going to do a total of 3 because I want to maximize the complete use of the sheet. I put it through my laminating machine and they are fully laminated. Now I will trim with my paper trimmer. And now for a finished and polished look, I'm going to cut on the edge of that doily as much as I can. And you can see very little of the plastic. And I really like the way it came out. Tell me what you think below. I'm going to place my template on top with a dry erase marker. I'm going to mark all the places where those holes have to be punched. Now you can punch away. Insert it in your planner and you are set. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. Tell me what you think below. It's viewers like you that keep me going. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And give this video a like. Until next time, and God bless. Bye-bye.